from start to finish building a block wall. This wasn't a repair, this was a full structural rebuild. When we inspected this home, we found severe foundation movement. The wall had started to roll outward past the point of recovery. Reinforcement isn't enough at this stage. We began by excavating around the entire area, preparing the site not only to expose the failing foundation, but also to install 6 structural footings. After preparing the holes, we poured concrete footings to ensure a solid, stable base. The only safe and long-term solution is to remove and rebuild the affected section. This phase is more than just digging. It's about creating a safe environment where we can properly build.
Once everything was exposed, the most critical phase began: demolition. We carefully removed the entire compromised section of the foundation, piece by piece. This isn't a quick process, but it is the necessary repair. Every block has to be taken out. What we're doing isn't about tearing a wall down. It's about protecting the integrity of the home while eliminating what has failed. With the damaged section fully removed, we moved into rebuilding the structural base. Then came the rebuild of the 31-foot block wall that starts with forms for a new footing.
is where time, precision, and experience matter most.
Block by block, the wall is reconstructed. Each row is carefully measured, leveled, and aligned to ensure structural integrity. Reinforcement was added where needed it. Foundation base is being aligned before installing the footings as a part of the repair. At the same time, we're adding extra support to the porch. These solid bases are what everything else depends on.
If the base isn't right, nothing above it will last.
No two foundations are the same. Every block is cut, customized, and placed to match the unique structural demands of the property. With the wall rebuilt and supported by new footings, the foundation now has the strength and stability it was missing before. Every step, from excavation to reconstruction, was done with one goal:
Creating a permanent solution.
a foundation reaches this level of failure, it takes a full rebuild, supported properly from the ground up.
Stronger foundation, safer home.
This is the final result. Another job done right. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, follow us on our social medias. We post educational videos every day.